If you're seeing Telegram error 400, don't worry. This is usually a simple browser or client issue, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error can happen when Telegram web has stored bad cookies or cached data, when the URL is wrong, or when the app or browser you're using is glitching out. So stay with me, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get Telegram working again. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the most common fix, which is clearing your cache. If you're using Telegram in your browser, stored cookies and site data can sometimes break the login or loading process and trigger error 400. To fix that, open your browser settings, go to the privacy or history section and look for clear browsing data. Make sure you remove cookies, cached images, and site data related to Telegram. If you want to be more precise, you can search for Telegram in your browser's site permissions or storage settings and clear only the Telegram-related data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then try loading Telegram again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because you're forcing Telegram to start fresh without old broken data. Next, check the URL you're using. This may sound basic, but a small mistake in the web address can cause a bad request error. Make sure you are using the correct Telegram web address and not a copied or outdated link from somewhere else. If you access Telegram through a bookmark or a saved shortcut, delete it and type the address manually to make sure there are no extra characters, spaces, or broken redirects. If the page is trying to load from an unusual or modified link, that can easily cause error 400. So take a moment here and confirm that you are on the official and correct web page before moving on. Now, if the error still appears, the next smart fix is to switch clients. Sometimes the issue is not your account at all. It's the specific app or browser you're using. If Telegram web is giving you error 400, try switching to the standalone desktop app instead. On the other hand, if the desktop app is acting up, open Telegram web in a different browser and see if that works better. This helps bypass local client bugs, browser extension conflicts, or temporary session problems. It's a very effective way to isolate whether the issue is tied to the web version or the app version. If you're using extensions in your browser, it can also help to temporarily disable them, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, because they can interfere with Telegram loading properly. Then try again in an incognito or private window. That gives you a clean test without old cookies or extension interference. If Telegram works there, then you know the problem was caused by browser data or an extension rather than Telegram itself. So to recap the fastest fixes for Telegram error 400, clear your cache and site data, verify the URL is correct, and switch between Telegram web and the desktop app to bypass client issues. These 3 steps solve a lot of login and loading problems without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you fix Telegram error 400, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Telegram or app error fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.